Hi views, today we are going to show you a new Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch video. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. Equipped with all new features, Kospet Tank X1 was engineered with premium quality and spectacular performance, having earned up to 15 US MIL 810 H certifications. The smart band battles with you through scorching deserts, humid rainforests, and freezing glaciers. Design and material. The Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch has a rugged and durable design that is built to withstand the challenges of outdoor activity. The watch case is made of a combination of zinc alloy and polycarbonate materials, which makes it both strong and lightweight. The watch band is made of silicone, which is also durable and comfortable to wear. The bezel and the bottom of Tank X1 are made of high-strength metal and stainless steel panel respectively, which not only secures internal parts of the smartwatch, but renders it highly resistant to vibration, drop, and car crushing. Super Amoled display, featuring a magnificent 1.47 rectangle. Always on Amoled display with 198x368 pixel resolutions, Kospet Tank X1 delivers a wide and ultra-clear viewing experience. While the resolution may not seem particularly high compared to modern smartphones or high-end smartwatches, Kospet has marketed the display as a Super HD screen. The term Super HD is a marketing term used by Kospet to describe the high pixel density of the screen, which is 283 pixels per inch ppi. This means that the display is capable of producing sharp and detailed images with good color accuracy and contrast. 70 sports modes. The Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch has an impressive 70 sports modes built in, which covers a wide range of activities that you can track and monitor with the watch. Some of the sports modes available on the watch include running, hiking, swimming, cycling, yoga, basketball, soccer, and many more. Tank X1 all-new sporting algorithm. The smartwatch enables smart recognition and reminder of 6 sports. Health monitor. Equipped with the cutting-edge VP60 bio-tracking optical sensor, Kospet Tank X1 achieves unparalleled accuracy in monitoring 24-hour heart rate, blood pressure, etc. The sporting algorithm V10 co-invented by Kospet and Siwi Motion, meanwhile, collects and analyzes data in sports and health like your personal trainer. Heart rate monitor. The Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch is equipped with a heart rate monitor that uses advanced sensor technology to provide accurate heart rate readings in real time. The heart rate monitor can be activated manually or set to automatically monitor your heart rate throughout the day. The heart rate sensor uses photoplethysmography (PPG) technology to measure changes in blood volume under the skin. This technology detects the small variations in the light that passes through the skin and captures the pulsations of blood flow in your arteries, which is then used to calculate your heart rate. Blood oxygen monitor. The Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch has a blood oxygen monitor that can measure the oxygen saturation levels in your blood. The blood oxygen monitor uses photoplethysmography (PPG) technology to detect changes in the color of your blood, which is an indicator of the oxygen saturation levels in your blood. The blood oxygen monitor on the Kospet Tank X1 is non-invasive and can be activated manually or set to automatically monitor your blood oxygen levels throughout the day. Sleep monitor. The Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch has a sleep monitor that can track your sleep patterns and provide insights into the quality and duration of your sleep. The sleep monitor uses a combination of sensors, including an accelerometer and a heart rate monitor, to detect your movements and measure the duration and quality of your sleep. The sleep monitor on the Kospet Tank X1 can provide detailed information about your sleep, including the amount of time you spend in different sleep stages such as deep sleep, light sleep, and REM sleep, the number of times you wake up during the night, and your overall sleep quality. Battery life. Thanks to the 230 mAh pure cobalt battery, a full charge on Kospet Tank X1 powers over 50 days in standby mode, or 12 to 15 days for daily use, so that you can get the most out of your every workout. However, the actual battery life will depend on various factors such as screen brightness, usage of GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, as well as the number of notifications received. With heavy usage, the battery life may be shorter, while with light usage, it may last longer than the claimed battery life. 10 ATM and IP69K. Yes, the Kospet Tank X1 smartwatch is rated 10 ATM and IP69K for water and dust resistance. This means that the watch is designed to withstand water pressure up to 100 meters deep, making it suitable for swimming, showering, and other water-related activities. The watch is also rated IP69K for dust resistance, which means that it can withstand exposure to dust and other small particles. This rating indicates that the watch has been tested to withstand high-pressure water jets and can be cleaned easily with water.